Okay, so first things first, these are the latches that I've got from my local hardware store. There's multiple different options. You can see these, I've got lefts and right-handed ones here. I want my handles to be pointing towards each other, so when you open the window they go like that. The only option was black, and I'll just open these up. Super simple. There's two small holes on the bottom here. You get two screws supplied. The specs on the back say 4.5mm drill bit, number 1 square drive. This is supposed to be a backer to go on here like that. I'm assuming that's doesn't work on my windows, but if you've got double glazed windows and your windows are a little bit fatter, that works, but for what I'm using today, that is not needed. This is essentially just a guide for your two 4mm drill bits to line up on the window. That's what you get in the box. Okay, it's super simple. All you need is your 4mm drill bit. I've got a number 1 square drive right here that I can fit into my impactor. That should do the job. So I'm starting in my son's room here. The previous owner has already replaced some of these before I moved in, which was good because I've been able to find the exact same style. But you can see this side here is different to that side, and if you look, it's just got a little bit more wiggle in it, which can't be good in winter, so I'm replacing these. Unfortunately, the kit doesn't come with replacements of these, which are pretty manky looking. I might see if I can replace those as well. You know, I'll leave this open and go outside. So that went on super simple, and it's a lot tighter now. It's got no wiggle in it anymore, but I made the mistake of having two handles pointing in the same direction, whereas I wanted this one pointing this way so you can open it easier. My mistake. I wanted it. For a simple little job like that, $15 should help keep my little boy's room just that little bit warmer. So all in all, I have to say this is a pretty simple job that anyone could do with a screwdriver, a drill. Anyone can do it. Good Sunday job. Keep your house that little bit more airtight, keep the heat in, keep the cool from escaping through air gap. Brilliant job for anyone. Only one thing that I didn't have to do was, if you can see in there, the two holes on my original window latches, they lined up, so I didn't have to drill new holes, which made the job easier. I've done some of the windows, I've had to re-drill the holes, and that gets a little tricky because of this little thing here, which is your guide. But my original holes were only just a little bit different to these, to the new holes, so I kind of just made the original hole just that little bit bigger. Just wasn't really perfect, but it did work. But that's the only tricky thing, would be lining up if you have to do new holes. But if you're just replacing like for like, hopefully, like most of my windows, it just goes super simple. Anyway, hope that's helpful to someone.